Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to integrate Kafka with Spring Boot. Firstly, open IntelliJ IDEA or any preferred IDE and create a Spring Boot project with the following details. The name is Spring Boot Kafka example, language is Java, type is Maven, and packaging is jar of course. Add the following dependencies on your pom.exml. Spring for Apache Kafka, Spring Web, Lombrock, and Spring Boot DevTools. In application.properties, configure Kafka connection settings using the properties command. Now create a Kafka consumer config.java inside config/ to configure the consumer. Now create a Kafka producer config.java inside config/ to configure the producer. And now create Kafka producer.service.java inside service/ to send messages, and create Kafka consumer service.java inside service/ to listen to messages. To reset controller, create Kafka controller.java inside controller/ to expose an endpoint for sending messages. Finally, start Kafka and Zookeeper on your machine, run the Spring Boot application, then send a post request to the local host 8080 API Kafka publish message link. You should see the message published in the producer log and consumed in the consumer log. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.